LISSMAC is a machine tool manufacturer. Specifically, we build machines for automated deburring, edge rounding, surface finishing, deslagging, oxide removal. They're designed to fit into the manufacturing process to eliminate manual work, make the process faster, more efficient, and more consistent. Within LISSMAC's construction division, we build machines that are used in very harsh environments. There are impacts being made on our machine that were chipping the paint and powder coat off of the metal parts. We needed to come up with a way to eliminate or reduce that, because when the paint is not adhering to the part, that allows water to get into the surface or onto the surface of the metal and can cause rust. We solved that problem by developing a process which we now call the SBM machine. The unique part of this is that we developed the process to be top and bottom in a single pass. So we cut the part on a laser, put it on the in-feed table of the machine, and the machine conveys it through. As it's being conveyed through, the tools are on the top and on the bottom, working at the same time to remove all the oxide from the part, so when it comes out the other side, it's a completed part, ready for the next stage in the manufacturing process. The idea here is to take your flame or plasma cut part, address this large bead of slag on the external and internal contours, remove it completely, and create a part with the LISSMAC Edge. That means we have a slag-free, rounded edge that's safe to handle, that's safe to weld, and is ready for paint or powder coat. When you put a LISSMAC machine into your facility, you are eliminating manual labor. You can use those people who used to do the manual labor to operate the LISSMAC machine. We've had plenty of customers where they have applications that include laser cut parts, CO2 cut parts, or fiber laser cut parts, or punched parts, or water jet cut parts that were experiencing these inconsistencies in the part quality. One person would be doing a manual deburr on the part, and a second different person would be doing a manual deburr on a part, and they would look different. And it shouldn't depend upon the operator of the machine or the operator of the hand tool. What we find is once they put this process in place, not only are they getting that consistent result, not only are they getting a more consistent wear and usage and predictable usage of their abrasives, they're saving money in the process. We are a German-based company, and we are represented over the entire world. We have a headquarters here in the United States. We are the manufacturer of the machine, as opposed to being the importer of the machine. So the distinction I'm drawing there is that when you deal with LISSMAC, you're dealing directly with the manufacturer, not somebody who is reliant upon a manufacturer. And you are dealing with somebody who is based in this country, who has a basis of operations that include not only the building of machines, inventory of machines, but the parts and the service as well. It's likely that a LISSMAC machine has produced component parts for products that you see in your daily activities. Each day when you encounter a refrigerator, if you drive under a bridge or over a bridge, if you are using or in the proximity of heavy equipment, when you are at an event, a party or a wedding, and people are serving you food, there's trays that people are using and cabinets that warm that food that people reach in and out of on a regular basis to provide you with some level of comfort and safety. These parts come from the LISSMAC machines, and they're around us all the time. There are customers who are looking for products that they know that they need, but they don't know what the product is. And they don't know who makes or supplies that product. So one of the things that LISSMAC likes to do is to provide education. We educate our customers, ask us the questions, come to our seminars, we need to be able to provide customers with an education, not only about what we build, but how it fits into your application and how it's different from what you already know. A major part of the sales process is you seeing the machine. You can see the machine by Zoom. We can do a meeting and we can all be interacting in a live environment, real-time environment, and you can see the machine. That way you can send us sample parts so you can see the results of the machine, and you can come to our facility here in Mechanicville, New York, and do a live demo in person. LISSMAC's mission is not just to flood the market with machines. It's to provide machines that are of high quality, that last, that are easily serviced, and will do the job that the customer needs it to do. So you can run them not only on an occasional basis, but they're also built to last in multiple shift per day applications and stand up to all of the rigors of what your application is going to throw at it. If you're interested in learning more about LISSMAC or any of our products, please reach out to me directly and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions.